Let's say you have this great big huge mega triple idea and the whole world needs to know about it. But it requires some explaining. Forget outdated written step-by-step instructions. Now there's an easier way. Simply relay your plan to EasyGoBeezy and have it magically transformed into an AnyGuide, an animated how-to movie that gives a quick understanding of your awesome blossom idea. Want to learn how to eat a muffin? No, too many calories. Chips? Oh, no. A healthy, wealthy sandwich? You bet. EasyGoBeezy's team of highly trained Cosmo professionals will create an AnyGuide for that. So, go get yourself a sandwich and find out how easy it is to follow an AnyGuide. Step 1. Pick up a sandwich. Step 2. Bring the sandwich to an open mouth. Retract fingers to edge of sandwich. Step 3. Bring that stuff closer. Closer. No! That's too much. A little bit further. That's right. Step 3. Bite down and chew until sandwich is mashed into gooey goodness. Step 4. Swallow. Step 5. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until sandwich is gone. AnyGuides are accessible virtually everywhere, on your computer, smartphone, tablet and TV, and even on the wall. Not this one. No matter if your task is as easy as eating a sandwich or as tricky as catching a leprechaun, EasyGoBeezy can design an AnyGuide to perfectly fit your needs. In fact, the only thing easier than using an AnyGuide is having someone else to do the work for you. But remember, that someone is going to need an AnyGuide.